Hello YouTube, this is Moore. Sorry, I haven't made a video in a while because I'm still sick. Anyway, this is a strobe light circuit designed to be used with notifier. Here's the strobe light circuit. It's just some passive components and some LEDs. And over here is the trigger circuit, external alert circuit for the notifier. The notifier V1.0 does not have that circuit built in, which is why it's external. Turn on the notifier. And then I'm going to send myself a message to see how that works. And you can hear the other devices ringing in the background. This thing is very bright. It lights up the whole room. I've designed this as an accessory for notifier. I will post a link to the circuit that I've got working. It's about 2 pulses per second. About the speed of the iPhone strobe. We're going to shut this off. Okay. That's it for this strobe light. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and support me by buying from my eBay and Mercari stores. Both links are in the description. Goodbye.